Welcome back to Tech Solution Z. In this video, we're taking a quick look at what's new in Tails 7.2, the latest privacy-focused release from the Tails project. Tails 7.2 brings a refreshed Tor browser, now updated to version 15.0.1. It's built on Firefox 140, so you'll notice smoother tab handling, vertical tabs, tab groups, and a more polished address bar. These small interface upgrades actually make a big difference when you're juggling multiple sites while staying anonymous. Thunderbird has also been bumped up to version 140.4.0, and Tails now blocks Thunderbird from connecting to Mozilla's telemetry services. It's a tiny change, but it tightens privacy exactly where people expect Tails to stay strict. Under the hood, Tails now runs on Linux kernel 6.12.57, which improves hardware compatibility and includes important security fixes. The old root console utility has been removed, but you can still get a root shell using the command sudo-i inside the terminal. Notifications that ask "Don't ask again" will now only appear after the system clock is synced, which avoids confusing prompts early in the session. Upgrading is simple if you're already on Tails 7.0 or later. Automatic upgrades will work normally and keep your persistent storage intact. If the automatic method doesn't work, you can follow the manual upgrade guide or do a fresh installation using the USB or ISO images from the official site. That's all you need to know about Tails 7.2. It's a small but important update that polishes the experience, tightens privacy, and improves hardware support. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Tech Solution Z for more Linux-focused guides and updates.